A little tip to all of you out there. Teach your dog how to drive a tractor. Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're doing good. My girl is at her sister's, so I'm gonna give some medicine to the PP, the problem pony. She's a good girl, but she has plenty of problems. Little pill to help her with her laminitis problems. She's very sensitive on that. Then we have this little, well, natural plant-based medicine that helps her with her dust allergy, and then some extra minerals. You go grab it. There you go. She smells those minerals. Hey, hey, ho. And then the little pill. Let's put in here. Yep. Welcome back to the ranch, everyone. First of all, I want to thank all the subscribers out there. It's really fun to see how people from all over the world are looking at these videos. Didn't expect that at all, so yeah, big thank you. So right now we're going to check on the cows on my land. So I took some salt in the back to give them. With this hot weather, they go through them like nothing. And I took some minerals with me, so we can give that. And yeah, I'll see you guys there. Okay, so we arrived, and yeah, she's curious, but yeah, hay is more interesting. I still have enough. The bull is right there. Oh, he's coming to take a look. So those minerals. The one I use is Nactoligos Vit. I buy this at the vets. And it's very concentrated. Look at these numbers on it. You can pause the video if you would like to see what's in it. But I've been using it for about 2 years now, this mineral, and I mean, it works really great. It's not that expensive, organic, because we're an organic ranch here. She's coming out. So let's take one of these blocks. I think they will be happy. They finished the other ones 2 days ago, so they'll be happy with some salt. Let's see how they react to it. Oh yeah. They want it. They want it. Gärna, weg! Yeah, that's gonna help. Okay, let's get the other one. Looks like they really want some of that salt. Yeah, of course they're all going for the same one. These 2 blocks, they will last about a week maybe. They're small ones, but I prefer 2 small ones as opposed to 1 big one. That way they spread out a little bit. Yeah, she saw that. Okay, it's actually good because I'm putting the minerals in the hay feeder there. The calves are all down there. I don't know if you can see it. I'll zoom a little bit. They're coming. They see there's something going on. I do 2 cups for the cows here. 2 cups about every month. Because otherwise, I had 1 year where a cow, it was 2 years ago, I gave a little bit too much of it, and her hoofs started growing out. So way too long, because it was just too much minerals. So yeah, I don't do that anymore. I don't give that much anymore. And this way they mix it up with the hay real good. And it works like this, so that's good. Yeah. You want the bucket, don't you? Looks like these two are looking for it already. Smell it. Jenna, weg. Being a cattle dog. Let's go check the calves that are down there eating that dry stuff. There's one cow there with them. It's funny how it's always the same. All the calves together and one cow to guard them all. Don't know if that's the case on other ranches and farms, but here it's always the same. Hey girl. You're a beauty. They're looking fine, mighty fine. Boy out there. Okay, water is still filled up. Looking good. Okay, so I counted them all. There's still a few behind the hill there. But they're okay. For this heat, there's almost no flies, and I'll explain why. In that little ruin right there, the cows go there while it's very hot in the day. They go in there, it's really cool. It's an old French building built with rocks. The walls are like a meter thick, and keeps cool in there, and there's plenty of how are those birds called in English? I'll mark it on the screen. And they eat like thousands of flies all combined. I think it's like 100 flies for one bird, and there's hundreds in that building. There's like no flies on them, so we don't have to spray them. Don't know if you can see it on the bull here. There's no fly, like a few little flies, but almost none, which is very cool. Yeah, all fighting for the same block here, while there's one completely typical. Okay, so all the cows, or all the animals, have had their minerals, have had their salt. We checked them all, so that they're all good. Since it's Sunday, it's the perfect time to get a little fence mending going on. So we'll fix that little fence that had that wire loose. I'll stretch it again, and that way you can see how that's done. So first I'll put in those staples in those posts that lost the staples, and then we'll stretch it. For these staples, you always hammer them in, but in an angle like this, so you don't fall in a crack, in one crack with the staple, because it will come out easier. And you always leave a little gap so the wire can slide when you stretch them. To stretch, I always use a come along. Really like it, and does the job. Plus, this is one that my grandfather gave me, so I'm attached to it. He's living still in Belgium, in the Belgium Ardennes. A lot of people will know it from Bastogne. People that have grandparents that are veterans from the Second World War, they will surely know it. So I attach it on there with a chain. That used to be a chain to attach cows in these old style stables. Now we use it for fencing. So this grabs onto the wire. We have two of those when we are mending a fence that broke, just to pull two sides together, put a piece in between. Really handy. We couldn't find these in stores here in Europe, or here in France, but we just copied it, made them ourselves. This one my dad made. He just welded up on a piece of rebar, welded up this cone, first slided this piece on, and then welded a ring to it. And this one I forged. So I upset this side, forged the ring on it, and then that one got welded to. So how it works is, hold it next to the wire, pass the wire through that little gap there, and then you twist it. And when you pull it, it's caught on there. So you can stretch it all you want, you won't pull it off. Look at all that slack we pulled out. Take the staple out. This wire go. That as tight as possible. Go around and then you cross over the wire. Then we come back, we go under it. Go under it, pull it up. And then you just twist around it. I'm gonna shorten it a little bit. Been way too long. Just twisting around. Pull a little bit, release this lever, do that twice, then you should be able to let him go. Just a tap of the hammer and it's loose. Now that wire is tight again. Okay, so I just put a new bale back there with the heifers. One is on the wrong side of that hot wire fence. Yeah, there's nothing here either. The hay is there. Come on. There you go. Drink and go to the others, or straight to the others, fine by me. Still have water. So after I put that heifer back, my uncle and aunt arrived, and yeah, we took the afternoon off. So because it's been a while since we've seen them, so we had some beers. We talked a lot. She always lays down to eat. That's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna wrap it up, and hope you all had a good weekend and a good start of the new week. And I hope to see you next time.